Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on a Toyota Corolla. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools and supplies. This includes about 4 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic engine oil and a new oil filter. You'll also need a 14mm socket for the drain plug, a 64mm 14-flute oil filter wrench, a drain pan, a funnel, and a new drain plug gasket. Once your Corolla is safely elevated on jack stands, locate the oil drain plug, which is typically a 14mm bolt on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Slowly loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the old engine oil to flow out. Be patient and let it drain thoroughly to ensure maximum removal of contaminants. After the oil has drained, use your 64mm 14-flute wrench to remove the old oil filter housing. Install the new filter and its O-ring, making sure it's seated correctly, then tighten the housing to 13 foot-pounds. Next, replace the drain plug with a fresh gasket and tighten it to 27 foot-pounds. This prevents leaks and ensures a secure seal. Now, using a funnel, carefully add about 4 quarts of the new 0W20 synthetic engine oil into the filler cap. Once filled, replace the cap, start your engine for a minute, then turn it off. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter, and verify the oil level on the dipstick. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.